Hello guys, this is AlexTheGrumpyOne, and this is just a quick video. While I'm doing my bumper, I wanted to show you the horn location, both of them. So that's where one is. All you have to do to replace it is just undo the 30mm nut and unplug it from the back there. There's two of them on your car, and to replace them you don't actually have to take the bumper off. All you have to do is just take the headlight out, which only takes about 5 minutes. So that's the other one. So the same 30mm nut and plug. So like I say, if you watch my previous video on how to remove the headlight, all you have to do is just remove both of your headlights if you're doing both of your horns, and they're only held in by 5 T30 screws at the top that hold the cover, and another 2 that actually hold the headlight in, which is okay, one there and one there, and there will be a plug going into it, which is easy to remove as well. It's located there. That's the plug. So to remove these plugs, all you have to do is get a screwdriver behind that and pull it back so it lifts the pad up, and then just obviously work it out off. So yeah, that's all you have to do. The plug on them is the same. You pull the tab back and work its way off. So yeah guys, like I said, I'll put the link for my video for the headlight removal in description, and you can watch that. So remove the headlight and then it'll be easy to get to it. So guys, like I said, in with the bumper on, just the headlight out. As you can see, I got the headlight out. You can still get to the horn there. Yeah, 30mm and the plug. So once you're done 30mm, you can get to the plug easy. You pull up a little bit and do the plug. And that's the same on the other side. Obviously the other side got the headlight in, but yeah, you can do them just with the headlight out. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.